Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus by setting custom ringtones and notification sounds. Let's get started. First, open the main settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Next, tap Ringtone. If you are using dual SIM, you will see tabs at the top to select which SIM card you want to customize. Choose the appropriate one. Here, you will find a selection of preloaded ringtones. Tap on any of them to preview the sound. Once you have found the one you like, simply select it. Want to use your own music? Tap the plus icon. This will open your phone's media files. Choose the MP3 you want to use as a ringtone and tap Done. This will add the sound to the custom section and it will be set as your default ringtone for the chosen SIM card. Repeat this process for your second SIM if needed. Now, let us customize your notification sounds. Go back to the Sounds and Vibration menu and tap Notification Sound. Again, if you have dual SIM, select the correct SIM card. Browse through the list of preloaded notification sounds and choose the one you like. To use a custom sound for notifications, it is little different. Open your File Manager app. You can usually find the pre-installed one in the Samsung folder. Look for My Files and open it. Then go to Audio Files. Find the sound you want to use. Long press it and select it and tap Copy. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a destination folder. Then navigate to the Notifications folder and tap Copy here to paste the sound. Now go back to the main settings. Sounds and Vibration and Notification Sound. Under the Custom section, you should see the sound file you just added. Select it and it will become your custom notification sound for that SIM card. That's it. You have now personalized your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus with custom ringtones and notification sounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.